think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this little life.
When considering home improvements, the kitchen is at the top of the list for achieving greatest impact. Homeowners might overlook the impact of new kitchen cabinetry if they feel their existing cabinets are in relatively good shape. However, the allure of custom cabinetry lies not only in the aesthetics, but also in the enhanced functionality it provides. Now, investing in a new kitchen isn't just about personal satisfaction, it's a financial decision too. A well-designed, functional kitchen adds value to your home. It's an investment that not only supports your household's lifestyle and reflects your personal taste, but it also contributes to the long-term value of your property. So while your existing kitchen cabinetry may seem adequate, the functionality, tailored design, personalization, and increased home value make it such a worthwhile investment. It's an opportunity to not only elevate your kitchen space, but also enhance the overall lifestyle within your home. Discover how custom cabinetry can revolutionize your kitchen experience, making it a place where convenience, style, and functionality harmoniously converge.